to my YouTube channel. I haven't done a video in a while, and I decided that I'm gonna do a Faux Locs video, right? How I style my Faux Locs on a daily. Okay, and this is the first look, and I really like it. I mostly do my hair like this without this, but I'm trying something new today. Okay, all right, so let's get into this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Okay, all right, so let me show you how I got this look. It's really simple. It's just like this. I just take two from the front, and then I just use my scrunchie to just pull it up. Right, so, and I just, instead of pulling it the hair all the way through, what I do is I actually just leave it like this, halfway over the hair. Okay, and that's how I achieve this look. And the next look I'm gonna try is actually just pulling the hair through. All right, yep. So that's also a cute look on how to style your Faux Locs. Yeah. Alright, so the next look I'm gonna try is this. It's really simple. Just simply letting your hair down to the center is also a cute look. Putting it behind your ear. So this is a cute look. Alright, so the next look I'm gonna try is this. What I'm gonna do is take a few from the front, right, and just wrap it around in a bun. So what I'm actually gonna do is put two buns in the front of my hair. Normally I don't use anything to wrap it. I just use the hair and tuck it under the hair. Some persons may want to use a bobby pin, or some people may want to use elastic or something, but I don't use anything. Okay, all right, so I'm just gonna do the same thing with this side, right? I'm done. It's actually easy if you do use something to hold it, but I normally don't. Because what the elastic tend to do is it pull my hair and then it mess up my locks, and I don't like that. Alright, so that's another cute look. That's another cute look to try. Alright, so the next one I'm going to try is this. Just simply catching your hair up, leaning your head to the side, and just catching your hair up in one ponytail. Alright, this is also cute. Most persons will tend to gravitate to this more because it's out of your face, it's in a ponytail, and it's really cute, right? Yeah, and guys, I don't really like to do a lot to my edges. I like when it's looking real natural. So yeah, to give me the real look of locks, you know. Alright, so the next look I'm gonna try is this one. Or you can also wear it like this. Just putting everything to the side. That's a cute look also. Yep, and this one. Putting everything down like this, right? And then just simply doing this, simply just doing this. This is cute also, so this is a good look to try. Okay, and this one, I tend to see a lot of persons wearing this one, right? Yeah, this one. This is actually cute also. Yes. So it's, the styles are really simple. It's not really hard to do, and I'm also just use this alone to do my styles. Okay. So what I'm gonna actually do is I'm gonna take these out again and do a half up. So I'm gonna get half of the hair up. I'm going to let out some. So it's really cute. It's really cute and simple. It's not a lot. Okay. Alright. The next look I'm gonna try is this. This, and just bun in the top. It's similar to the ones with the two at the front, but instead you have one. Alright, and normally I just use the hair to tuck underneath. I just continue tucking the hair, tuck under the hair. I don't really need to use any pin or elastic or anything, and I don't like when it's too neat, right? So I do like the messy look. Yeah, so yeah guys, this is the other look, and this one is actually really cute. Yes, I'm loving it. I'm loving the look. It's really cute. Alright, so this is the final one. This is the final one that I'm gonna do right now. So what I'm gonna do is just put all of my hair in a ponytail. So I don't like to do the bun really neat or anything. If one falls out, that's okay also. So thanks guys for watching my video. I hope you liked the different styles that I showed you guys, and as I said before, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on your post notification bell. Okay, and comment down in the comment section down below if you really enjoyed this video. And until next time guys, until next time, So bye.